National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a flood warning for northwestern Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, south central Clark County in southwestern Alabama, Mobile County in southwestern Alabama, southern Washington County in southwestern Alabama, eastern George County in southeastern Mississippi, until 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday. At 5:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain had fallen throughout the day Monday. Flooding is already occurring in the warned area. Between 5 and 10 inches of rain had fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include downtown Mobile, midtown Mobile, Richard, Daphne, Tillman's Corner, Saraland, Bay Minette, Theodore, Chickasaw, Satsuma, Spanish Fort, Graham Bay, Citronelle, Loosedale, Creola, Loxley, Chunchula, Stockton, Stapleton, and Wagarville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. The following weather reports were